Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kraken V3 headset to an Xbox. It's important to know that Razer Kraken V3 headsets primarily use a wired 3.5mm audio connection for Xbox consoles. Wireless USB dongle connections are generally not supported. First, ensure your Xbox controller is powered on and locate its 3.5mm audio port, usually at the bottom. Now, let's connect it. Take the 3.5mm audio cable, which typically comes with your headset, and plug one end into the audio port on your Kraken V3. Then, firmly insert the other end of the cable into the 3.5mm headphone jack located on the bottom of your Xbox controller. Ensure the connection is secure for reliable audio and microphone functionality. Once connected, you'll want to optimize your audio. Navigate to your Xbox settings, then General, and finally Volume and Audio Output. Here, you can adjust your headset volume and microphone monitoring. Remember, premium features such as Razer HyperSense haptic feedback and THX spatial audio are typically exclusive to PC and PlayStation platforms, not Xbox. If you encounter any issues, first check that your Xbox controller's firmware is fully updated through your console's accessories menu. You can also test your Kraken V3 on another device, like a PC or mobile phone, to help determine if the problem lies with the headset itself or your Xbox setup. Sometimes a simple restart of your console can also resolve minor audio glitches. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.